Hi, I'm Robert Koehler, Regional Sales Director from Avigilon. I'm going to show you the top 4 features of Avigilon solution. So here we show unusual motion detection. We can filter the recordings that are on the server by displaying only unusual motion detection. In this case, this lady was climbing up the stair. Usually a forklifter is doing that job, getting a package out of the shelf. And this is a dangerous situation where the recording was filtered to show only what is unusual happening in the scene. Here I show you appearance search technology that we use our analytics cameras to save metadata of not only people or cars, but also the appearance of persons. So in this case, we were looking for a lady that has stolen something in a shop. So we just entered some appearance description, and all those examples that I can see here is that person coming in the field of view of the camera, and the security officer can look where the lady has been all over the place in the whole facility. So here I'm showing you the analytics, self-learning video analytics that is built in our cameras to demonstrate what is happening if a person is entering a facility, an area where it is not supposed to be. So in this case, that person is just putting something on the fence, and a little later, I speed up a little bit, he's climbing over the fence, and that is creating an alarm, which you get displayed here on that picture, and on the map, the camera that is recognizing the person that is entering the facility and sending an alarm to the central monitoring station. So that is the alarm on the map and the person with the alarm picture. So what we see here is a high-resolution camera. It's a 30-megapixel camera that is covering huge areas. We can zoom in to different areas and look for more details, like for the person. I'm just going to pause the picture, recognize faces, or even read number plates on the cars that are moving on that street. So that's one of the advantages of our high-resolution cameras that we offer. To learn more about those solutions, come and visit our website.